Welcome to Callum News, the only show on the planet where the jokes don't stick unless I level the bed. Or maybe add some glue. I'm your host, Callum from CIR Inventions, and it's about time that we talk about Creality's Instagram page. So after acquiring one of their printers, the Ender 3 Pro, I thought, I'd follow them on Instagram, maybe see if there's some deals or some news updates about the company that I might want to know about for videos or just for my own personal gain. I don't exactly have a lot of money, so if I could get any good deals on printers, that would be a good thing to know about from that company that I already trust. So I looked at what Creality posted, and of course they were on their story, they had updates and sales and stuff about printers, but I looked at their page a little closer, and I just could not believe what I actually found on a real 3D printing page for the actual company. Memes. And on further inspection, these memes were actually pretty good. And they weren't just, any random memes. They were, of course, based on 3D printing, but they were still pretty good memes, which was extremely surprising if you ask me. Another company that I've seen post a lot of memes to their feed is Slim Jim on their Instagram. They have over 1 million followers because of it. But I just don't think they do it right. If you look at their profile, it's just filled with 69, 420, and long boy jokes. And it's funny for a little bit, especially when you first find the page, but after you've been following them for a while, you realize it's just not funny at all. And it's extremely repetitive. Now, to be fair, they're still doing better than Wendy's over here.
Like a foul.
Stop! But it is really good to see an actual company that I like making interesting and somewhat funny memes. Unlike Slim Jim, Creality reminds me of experiences that I've had with my printer, like when I egged it in the last video. Okay, maybe not that one, but still, the point stands. And surprisingly, their memes are pretty good, so I pulled up some of my favorites to show off for you guys. Alright, I pulled up maybe a dozen or so memes that I thought were pretty funny on this laptop, so now I'm going to add my laughter and witty commentary. Potentially witty comment, we'll see. In emergency, break glass. You have no idea how much I relate to this one, unless you watch the last video. Seriously, I've broken too many hot ends to count, and this is what I need. I need one of these. I should make one of these. I'll do that. 1 hour here is 7 years on Earth. Great, my 3D printing should be finished in a few hours. Yeah, okay. To be fair, I haven't printed that much stuff that takes like 6 days to print, which I know is ironic considering the whole theme of this channel. But I'm working on it. But yeah, this meme also, yeah, me, the world going to hell, 3D printing. I mean, kinda, yeah. I don't know if the world's going to hell. I mean, it's not good out there. Yeah, I haven't seen many Phil Swift memes in a while, but yeah, still pretty accurate. Not bad. My heart will go on. I mean, it's arguably at least as durable as the Titanic, right? Hopefully a little less, because if it's not, I mean, I guess the Titanic's already at the bottom of the ocean, so it doesn't really matter. I don't know where I'm going with this. Any recommendations for a cheap... You're in the wrong hobby! Even the sheet printers are 250 bucks, the spools are 20 bucks each for 1 kilogram. Yeah, you don't think about it much until you realize how much you actually are spending on this stuff. 3D printing, what my family thinks I do, what the media thinks I do. Absolutely. What my friends think I should do, what I would like to do, what I try to do. What I really do, okay, that's the most accurate part here. That's definitely what happens. I started to notice how many laughing emojis Creality puts into their captions, and it's starting to bother me a little bit. Level the bed. Maybe you should calibrate the level the bed. We don't even know what the slicer settings. You level the bed! Yeah, you should do that. It's my recommendation every time. Me, without 3D printer, rich as hell. Me, with 3D printer, not rich as hell. I mean, either way, I'm kind of broke, so, this meme doesn't exactly apply to me, but yeah, I think we've figured out that 3D printing is expensive to some extent. Your 3D printer, when you walk away, you have no idea how many times this has happened to me. Why does it do it every single time? I just don't understand this shit sometimes. I hope you enjoyed today's memes and my not very witty but hopefully decent commentary. Ugh, that was disgusting. Oh, okay, I need to stop recording. That was disgusting. And that's it for today's Callum Prints. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to get more interesting 3D printing videos. And I know they're rare, but I'm making 3D printing interesting here at Callum Prints. That's all I got to say today. I will see you guys next time.